This video is a review slash show and tell of AMT's 1968 Camaro Z28 model. And I do have just two pieces of criticism, but let me tell you, I loved this, putting together this model. I thought they did a fantastic job. It was a lot of fun. It's a 123 piece. And it comes with a lot more decals. I purposefully kept it down to a minimum just because that's my own personal taste. But the kit comes where you can make it stock or what they call the street machine. And it does give you, with the instructions, the color chart. So you can make it all original if you want. I did not, obviously. It comes with two sets of tires. One is just the stock and it's smaller and it has the original chrome rims. And then it comes with bigger ones, bigger tires. And in the back, I put on the bigger tires because when I was in high school back in the 80s, it seems like every 10th car in the high school parking lot had big tires on back, you know. Back then, it was fairly affordable to get, a second gen Camaro or something and soup it up and what have you. Of course, people made a lot less money back then too, so I don't know, it's probably maybe the same today. But anyway, this is just to give people ideas if they want to take this on or not. We'll take a look at the motor and my two pieces of criticism here. So first of all, let me tell you, I know some people, when they get done, they put like glass polish and stuff like that on the paint. I haven't done any of that yet. This is strictly, this is what I used for the body color. And then I used this clear lacquer. And I don't know if I'm going to do the whole glass polish on it or not to really get that shine, but a lot of people do. But it's a great model. I just 123 pieces, a ton of extra parts. Instructions are very easy to follow. And I have a dog that wants to be in the video, and I'm going to take the hood off and we'll take a look inside there. Okay, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I don't have a whole lot of experience putting models together, but I like technical things and what have you. So, if I'll flip it over and I'll show you one piece of criticism that I have was it was so difficult for me to get the headers lined up with the side pipes. I didn't do a real good job of it, as you can see, I confess. But I found it difficult. As a matter of fact, that was actually the last thing I did. I took them off and just waited until the end and tried to line them up. I just had a lot of trouble with them. My second piece of criticism is to get the chassis on, I actually had to take the back end back off, get the chassis in, and then re-put it on, which made me very nervous. I boogered up the bumper a little bit, but I hit it with some liquid chrome, and it is on the bottom side. So, that's fine. If that's the worst thing that happens to me today, that would be great. And of course, I painted the steering wheel like wood and used liquid chrome. Let me see if I can get a light in there. And I actually put a lot of detail on the dash, but you can't see it. I even highlighted the radio knobs and stuff, but you can't see it because it's so far down in there, but that's okay. And let's see, what else do we got? That was my two pieces of criticism. Let's take a look at the box. I will show the pieces here. This is the box, and again, the instructions are great, fairly easy to follow, and There's the back. Lots of extra pieces. And we're going to take a look at all those pieces. But I'm trying to make this a quick video. So anyway. So here's a look at the Camaro Z28 1968 by AMT. There's the box. This has you can do the stock or the street machine, old school street machine. And here's the back of the box. Pretty cool. And I've got it upside down. There it is. Instruction sheet. Here's a looky-loo at the instruction sheet. And it's got let me find an example. Oh, if you do like the street machine, it's got like this step 4, and then if you do in the street machine, it shows you over here. So that's the instructions. And then it also comes with, you can cut this out and put together a smaller version of this box to display with your car if you wish. And now take a look at the pieces. There's that. And it's got a couple different options. There's just a standard hood. And then over here is the street machine hood. It's got seats, dashboard. The detail is really, really good. I'm really happy with the detail on all this. And there it's got your chrome plated pieces, decals. Except for I can't figure out what the hell are these? But joking aside, it comes with 2 sets of tires. It comes with street machine tires and the stock tires. The street machine tires are a little bigger. And it's the windshield. And that's about it. It's a lot. It's a 148 piece, I believe. So this is why I'm not working in my shop. It is very cold. But when it warms back up just a little bit, I can get the heater going in there and get back to regular car projects with the Corvette and the Camaro. But it is just really cold right now.